Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create multiple stores in Shopify new update. So let's get started. So here we are in Shopify. And from here, as you can see, I'm currently in my free trial. And the first thing that we would need to do to create multiple Shopify stores is click on my store right here, or the name of your store here. Click on that and click on all store. And from here, you can create multiple stores by clicking on create another store. So click on create store right here. And from here, you can just fill this up, or you can just keep it all right here. And your location, and then next. And then after that, it's now building your store right here. So all that's left basically is just to go and wait for this to finish loading and creating your store. And there it is. It has now finished creating my store. And so I have this right here. And as you can see, my free trial is now on 3 days again compared to my other store, which has 2 days only right here, as you can observe. And then you can create another one by going into all stores again. And basically, it's just the same process. Create new stores, keep all, and then next. And then it's going to build me another store again. And multiple stores will now be created on my one email account here in Shopify. So yeah, that is basically how you can do this in Shopify. So you can check out your online store right here, and you can see that it's all different stores. You can configure or edit the stores right here in a different themes for each store. So now when you go back into your all stores, you can see that you have a lot of stores right here on your email account. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.